Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome to this week's farm vlog. I'm going to do something just a little bit different. In our next few vlogs, I'm going to put some footage of warm and green and sunny things so that we can all look forward to spring and summer. So let's get into it. Even though it's cold, it's the first week of March. Let's see what's going on the Kapper farm. Oh, we got a sneak peek here. Look at this. Mrs. Kapper is varnishing the ham shack in a box. This is the whole base of it, and on one half of it, it's going to come up one more shelf. Boy, babe, it looks kind of small now that I'm looking at it. Hopefully we could fit all the gear in there. You don't have anything you could throw at me, do you? And then we got Goose Island getting close to being ready. We just got the pink foam yesterday for a little extra support. Progress is slow, but it's moving around here. It's moving. I'm the slowest one. Okay, and last night, just before dark, Curtis came over and helped me plant this. It's actually called frost seeding. We seeded probably 8 or 9 acres of new cover grass. So what we did was planted native warm season switchgrass. It's called Cave and Rock switchgrass, and it provides thick cover, and it won't come up till June. But the idea is to frost seed it now, and in probably June when it warms up is when that stuff will come up. So look for the full project video on that one coming soon. She's not used to ice. Okay, here's a quick look at the bottom half of the new ham shack shelf. There's going to be a top part on the right half of this as well. So progress is being made. Okay, a little bit of progress. I got the holes drilled. Unfortunately, with the 10-inch concrete walls in the basement, I had to come all the way out here. I test drilled a couple, and long story, but I hit the insulation down there, so I had to come all the way out here. But that's just how it is when you're wiring stuff. But man, looking good. Hopefully we're gonna run these wires here in the next few days.